Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change brightness in DaVinci Resolve. So changing brightness is really easy. First go to the color page. Inside here we need to select color wheels and then you should see all of these wheels here. So the most important wheel to adjust the brightness is this one, which is gain. So if you want to increase the brightness, then just drag it to the right to increase the brightness like so. If you want to decrease the brightness, then just drag this slider to the left in order to decrease the brightness. If you want to reset your changes, then just click on this reset button right next to the gain wheel like so, and then the changes will be resetted. In case you want to adjust your contrast, then we have the contrast option as well. Just drag this number to right or left in order to increase or decrease the value and set it according to your preference. Other than this, we also have two options, shadows and highlights. If you want to lighten up the darker areas on your footage, then we just have to increase the shadows like so, then the darker areas will be lightened up. And if you want to reset the shadows, for that just double tap on it and then the values will be resetted. We also have highlights. If you want to darker or lighten up the highlighted areas, then you can increase or decrease the highlights like you want. So let's say I want to make this highlighted area darker. For that I just need to reduce these highlights like so. And in case you want to reset all of the changes made inside these color wheels, then you can just click on this reset all button in order to reset all of the changes inside color wheels. So this is the way. Hope this helps. If it did, leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.